They have a bridge here only for scooter. Pay here for one plate, 20,000 kip, and you can load as much as you can on it. We are at the Utopia bar here in Luang Prabang, which is a must-go place, and Caro's already ordering her second coffee drink today. She's really onto coffee now. Today is our first full day here in Luang Prabang, and we are exploring the city a little bit. We are just at the Phousi Hill and want to visit some temples after that. Phousi Hill is a hill in the middle of Luang Prabang, where you have a good view over Luang Prabang in any direction, and it's a religious place, so there are Buddhas everywhere. So we are here at the Wat Xiengthong Saya Roharama Thibo di Mahaviana. Nearly. It's 6 o'clock in the morning in Luang Prabang, and we are going to see the monks collecting some donations. It's a very typical thing in Southeast Asia that the monks walk through the street with their metal buckets and collecting donations from the locals. But here in Luang Prabang it became somehow kind of an attraction. Okay, this was a very sad happening. Even though there are signs how to behave, some people were completely disrespectful. For example, you should be 3 meters away from the monks when you take photos. You shouldn't use flashlights, which many people did. I saw even one person who was bumping into a monk because he was so into taking his photo. So really disrespectful people, just seeing it as an attraction. After a long day of doing nothing, we finally found the motivation to lift our asses up and bring them in the gym. We're just heading to the Mr. Big Muscle Gym. Sounds promising. morning. Today we do our first tour with Lassie, and we are going nowhere less than to the Kuang Si Waterfall, which, what you read, it must be really epic. Here flows the Nam Khan in the Mekong. Nam Khan, Mekong.
Karo.